Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an agent to a team. First of all, you're going to navigate to the Workforce tab on the left-hand menu and select the Team menu item. Once you are on the Teams page, you will see a list of all the teams you have created. To edit your team, simply click on the Edit button on the right-hand side. Here, you will have the option to edit the following, such as the team name, team description, color, team members, and the team leader. To add an agent to your team, simply click on the Add Member button under the Team Members menu item. Here you will be able to search for all the agents that you have added onto the system. Once you have selected the agent that you would like to add, simply click Add Member and then Update to add that member to the team.